Hey guys, I'm already 7 years old, so I'm doing a cake review eating. So, welcome to my eating show. Mom, say hi to my viewers. No, you have to say hi to my viewers. This is my mom.
Hi.
Saw you. I already have my mom, but my dad isn't here. My dad is at Batangas working. My dad says he will come back in December.
Pagano na?
Yeah.
Hindi ka pagano. Ayun, kaya mo ng pakang hindi pa dito.
Yeah. He works so hard for my milk, accounts for on Roblox, and there's one thing I forgot to say. I mean mention Robux.
Huwag ka namin ng milk ka.
Yes.
Hindi ka pa.
No. Mmm. Guys, it's September. What is it? It's September. Mom, is it September 19?
Oo.
What?
20 na ngayon. Sabado ngayon dyan, di ba? Oo. 20.
Wait. Ngayon is 20. I forgot.
21 tomorrow.
21?
Sarili ang tuloy.
What? So,
2 years.
so we're going to a funeral?
Ano?
I remember it's already dead. Your old boss, Auntie Lee. Wait a second. How does that time is so fast? I'm gonna finish my vlogging. Well, bye guys. Oh, look at my soup. Ow. Bye. Mom, say bye-bye.
Bye. Ano talaga salita ka?
Yeah. Bye guys.